Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2021 KTM Duke 890. This badass sports bike just came here with only 7,500 miles. ABS brakes, liquid cooled, fuel injected, 2 brand new tires, bar end mirrors. Wait till you hear that Wings exhaust system. Come on by and make your Duke 890 dreams come true. This thing is really, really cool. ABS brakes. Price to sell just $89.99. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Talk about hooligan. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.